Nìwega eroreri ndamunyita ũgeni mũthenya ũmũthĩ kĩhingũro-inĩ gĩkĩ gitũ gĩa kwĩruta Gĩkũyũ, Ruth na Mary. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Learning Kikuyu in 5 minutes with Ruth and Mary. I hope you enjoyed the last lesson you had with Ruth on singular and plural, making words with a singular and plural. Today we are going to learn about the human body. We will start with the head, mutwe, njuĩrĩ, ũthiũ, face, eye, ritho, eyes, maitho, forehead, thithi, cheek, ikai, cheeks, makai, eyelashes, butu, ear, gũtũ, ears, matũ, chin, kĩreru, nose, iniũrũ, iromo, lips. One lip is kĩromo, iromo, both lips. Ngingo, neck, shoulder, kĩande, shoulders, ciande, elbow, kĩgokora, elbows, igokora, finger, kĩara, fingers, ciara, nail, rwara, nails, many, dwara, leg, kũgũrũ, legs, magũrũ, back, mũgongo. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have learned something. You're welcome for the next lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have any comment, you're most welcome. We would appreciate. Nìwega. Bye bye.